How to upload resume on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on LinkedIn application. So now what you need to do is simply tap on the option of jobs at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, select on the preferences option at the top left corner. You can see the option of my qualifications over here on the middle, so select on that. And as you tap on it, you'll be able to see the options of resume and application data. So all you need to do is just wait for a while until the page loads over here, and here you can see the option of upload resume. Simply tap on upload resume, and what you simply need to do is you can just tap on it and select on your resume over here, and then you can just go back. And that's how you can just upload your resume on LinkedIn. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.